Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by securing access and tools. Open Excel with Power Query available and log into your bank. Once signed in, export a sample CSV or enable API/OFX access. You need real data to map. Next, set up a destination workbook in OneDrive or SharePoint if you want automatic cloud refresh. Otherwise, use a local file for manual runs. Make sure MFA is ready. You will authenticate when connecting the query. Now start Data Get Data and choose the bank file or web connector to import. Once the raw feed is in Power Query, clean and transform. Convert dates to a consistent format, ensure amounts are numeric and correct for debits versus credits, and split merchant descriptions into category columns so you can analyze spending. Use conditional columns to tag transactions like transfers or fees. Then create grouping or pivot-ready fields for month and account. Make the steps reusable by parameterizing the file path or API token. That way you only change one value when sources rotate. Close and load to a table. To finish, publish the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint so Excel Online or Power Automate can refresh automatically. Then in Excel Desktop, use data queries and connections properties to set refresh intervals, or create a Power Automate flow to open and refresh the file on a schedule. Make sure credentials are saved in data source settings. Use OAuth when available and renew tokens before they expire. If the refresh breaks, re-authenticate the bank connection, confirm MFA, or switch to the CSV export fallback and rebind the query.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.